Hi, it's Vic. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a really fun card with you using the brand new release from Time for Tea Designs. My card today is featuring the Treat Yourself stamp set, and these images are so sweet. So what I'm doing here, I've just got my Misty and I'm stamping the images twice, and then I'm going in with the little strawberry and just stamping some more strawberries. And now I'm just going ahead and I've got my Copic colours here, so I'm just colouring in all the images, and I've listed the Copic markers on the screen for you. And as the images are so small, they're very easy to colour. And the images that I chose today were all sweet treats, but there's lots of other images in the stamp set. There's pizza, there's hot dogs, there's a burger, and there's also some little mice. So it is a really fun stamp set. So now I'm just going ahead and I'm going to finish all my Copic colouring. So now that's done, I've got my white gel pen and I'm just going in and adding some highlights to their cheeks. And using the coordinating dies, I've run them through my die cutting machine. And I've got some turquoise Cumbria card, which is from Paper Mill Direct. So I've just added the sentiment and some Versamark ink, and then I'm going to be adding some white embossing powder. And I'm just sprinkling this on top, and then I'm going to be going in with my heat gun to heat set the sentiment. And once the sentiment's been heat embossed, I've got some double-sided tape, so I'm just adhering this onto my card base, which is just a standard size card. And as I went to adhere it onto the card, it was a little bit wonky, so I've just got my paper trimmer and I'm just trimming off the little bit just to make sure it's all nice and clean and the edges are sharp. So now I've got all the little die cut pieces and I'm just placing them on my card because I'm trying to figure out where to put them all. And this is the part that I sometimes find tricky, but as these stamps are so small, they're very easy to place on the cards, and I wanted to do something a little bit different other than ink blending. So I just wanted to make a card where you can just use your stamps and a piece of card and you'll still come out with an amazing card at the end. So once I've roughly known where all the stamps go, I've then got some foam tape, which I'll be adhering all the images onto my card using some foam tape. And I wanted to add something a little bit extra, so I've got some Paper Mill Direct card here, and I've got the Sweet Friends stamp, which is included in the stamp set. So I've just got some white embossing powder, doing the same thing as before, just heat setting this, trimming the sentiment down, and then I'm adhering this onto the card. And I'm happy with that, so I'm going to go ahead and adhere the rest of the images down. And then to finish the card off, I've got some Nuvo jewel drops in Sea Breeze, so I'm just squeezing these and adding some little dots to the card just to give it a little extra oomph. But you can use any other embellishments you like. Sequins would look really pretty too. And there we go, the card's all finished. Thank you so much for watching the video. I will list everything down below in the description box. Thanks, bye.